Carrots, they're more than just a simple root vegetable. In fact, they're one of the healthiest and most versatile vegetables out there. Today, we're going to talk about all the amazing benefits of carrots. Whether you're looking to improve your health or just add some variety to your diet, carrots are a great choice. So go ahead and add some to your next meal or snack and enjoy all the goodness that this humble vegetable has to offer. Beta-carotene is a nutrient found in many different types of vegetables, but carrots are particularly rich in this nutrient compared to others. One of the main differences is the intensity of their color. Vegetables that are deep orange or red, like carrots and sweet potatoes, tend to be higher in beta-carotene than vegetables that are lighter in color, such as cauliflower or cucumbers. Another difference is the amount of fat in the food. Beta-carotene is a fat-soluble nutrient, which means that it is absorbed more efficiently in the presence of fat. Finally, the way in which the vegetables are prepared can also affect the availability of beta-carotene. Cooking methods like steaming, boiling, or stir-frying can break down the cell walls of the vegetables and make the beta-carotene more accessible to the body. On the other hand, raw vegetables like carrots may require more effort to digest and absorb the beta-carotene. What is good about beta-carotene? Beta-carotene is a type of carotenoid, which is a group of plant pigments that provide fruits and vegetables with their bright colors. This nutrient is converted into vitamin A in the body and has a number of health benefits. Firstly, beta-carotene is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage to cells, which can contribute to chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. Secondly, beta-carotene plays an important role in maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin A is essential for the proper functioning of the retina, and a deficiency in this nutrient can lead to night blindness and other vision problems. Additionally, beta-carotene has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce the risk of chronic inflammation and related diseases such as arthritis, diabetes, and obesity. Thirdly, skin health. Beta-carotene is known for its skin protective properties. It can help prevent sunburn and other forms of skin damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals that are generated by UV radiation. This nutrient can also help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, giving the skin a more youthful appearance. Finally, some studies suggest that beta-carotene may also have immune-boosting properties, helping the body fight off infections and diseases. The amount of beta-carotene in a vegetable can be affected by how it is cooked or prepared. Here are some tips for maximizing the amount of beta-carotene in your food. Eat raw or lightly cooked vegetables. Cooking can reduce the amount of beta-carotene in vegetables, so eating them raw or lightly cooked can help preserve this nutrient. For example, try eating carrot sticks with hummus or a salad with spinach and kale. Pair with healthy fats. Beta-carotene is a fat-soluble nutrient, meaning that it is better absorbed by the body when consumed with healthy fats. Try adding a drizzle of olive oil to your roasted sweet potatoes, or topping your spinach salad with some avocado. Choose colorful vegetables. As mentioned earlier, deeply colored vegetables like sweet potatoes and carrots tend to be rich in beta-carotene. Choosing a variety of colorful vegetables can help ensure that you're getting a range of beneficial nutrients. Don't overcook. Overcooking vegetables can cause them to lose their nutritional value, including their beta-carotene content. Aim to cook vegetables until they are just tender, rather than cook them for long periods of time. Overall, the best way to maximize the amount of beta-carotene in your food is to eat a variety of colorful, nutrient-dense vegetables and prepare them in a way that helps preserve their nutritional value. Thank you for watching. Press the like button and subscribe for more content.